I'm Megumi Inouye, the author of The Soul of Gift Wrapping.
Why do we wrap our gifts and what makes it meaningful? The Soul of Gift Wrapping explores this question through step-by-step instructions, personal discoveries, and historic context, inspired by the wisdom found within the cultural values and giving traditions of my Japanese and American upbringing.
I'm excited to share with you a wrapping method I designed especially for books. Books are one of my favorite things to wrap and to gift, and this wrapping style pays tribute to all the books that inspire us, making us want to gift their book to others. This time of creasing and creating folds while wrapping is a meditative experience. It gives me the time to think about the person I'm wrapping for, guiding me into a mental state of gratitude. The art of gift wrapping represents to me a language of gratitude, offering us a creative opportunity, a canvas, to express our deepest feelings of love, care, and appreciation. Embellishments on a gift can be a way to artfully personalize what we want to express to someone through choice in color, paper selection, maybe adding a favorite flower, or anything special to that person you are gifting.
I hope the Soul of Gift Wrapping will serve as a useful guide, inspiring you to wrap your gifts in ways reflective of your own unique, creative expression of gratitude.